Hey guys, it's Mrs. Gershon here. If you hear some background noise, it's because I'm recording outside. It's a nice sunny day today. So get out there, kiddos. Let's take a look at today's questions. So Kay and Juanita each have a garden of the same size and shape. Kay grows in 1/6 of her garden. Sorry, she grows flowers in 1/6 of her garden. Juanita grows flowers in 1/3 of her garden. Which statement shows a correct comparison of the sections of flowers grown in Kay's garden and Juanita's garden? So right there, that word comparison, that's telling us that we need to think about greater than, less than, or equal to. So, the strategy that we talk about a lot with this is thinking about cross multiplying. So from bottom to top, 6 times 1 is 6, 3 times 1 is 3. I can see that this has the bigger answer, so my alligator mouth will point towards the 1/3, which is showing us choice B. You can also think about, I'm going to pull this over to the side again. Think about the fact that we have 2 brownie pans here. You're getting 1 piece in each pan, but the first one, 1/6, is cut into 6 pieces and 1/3 is cut into 3 pieces. So more cuts means smaller pieces. So you can think about it that way as well. Let's go on to our next one. Let me zoom in a little bit here. What number makes both equations true? So 6 times what is 48? Or 48 divided by 6 is what? So if you know your facts, great. If not, drop your 9 lines. We can count by 6s until we get to 48. 30, 36, 42, 48. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the 8th line. So 8 would fit into both of those spots. All right, let's take a peek at the next one. A teacher puts 5 packages of craft paper into a cabinet. Each package has 80 sheets of paper. What is the total number of sheets of paper the teacher puts into the cabinet? So we know we have 5 packages. Packages are groups, and we have that word each, which means multiplication. So 5 groups times 80 in each package. We remember how to multiply by zeros. We have to box our 0. Do your 5 times 8 is 40, and then add your 0 onto the end. Don't forget to add that 0 onto the end. And that's it for today, kiddos. Check over your math. Make sure you're using your strategies and showing your work, and get out there and play today, guys. Talk to you soon.